Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the Elite Gourmet Slim Portable Induction Cooktop, a powerful 1500W burner that promises fast and efficient cooking. If you're interested, we've added a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what this product is. The Elite Gourmet Slim Induction Cooktop is a sleek and compact cooking solution designed for anyone who needs an extra burner or wants to save space in their kitchen. With its ultra-slim design at just 2 inches thick, it's perfect for apartments, dorms, RVs, or even for use in offices. One of the standout features of this cooktop is its powerful 1500W induction heating. This technology transfers energy directly to your cookware, allowing for faster cooking times and improved energy efficiency. Whether you're boiling water, searing meats, sautéing vegetables, or simmering sauces, you can count on consistent heat for perfectly cooked meals. When it comes to control, the Elite Gourmet doesn't disappoint. It offers 10 power levels ranging from 600 to 1500 watts, and a temperature range of 140 degrees Fahrenheit to 465 degrees Fahrenheit. This versatility means you can easily whip up delicate sauces or high-heat dishes with just a few taps on the digital touch controls. The intuitive LED panel makes it easy to adjust power, temperature, and even set cooking times with a built-in timer that ranges from 1 minute to 3 hours. This feature is especially handy for hands-free cooking, allowing you to focus on other tasks while your meal is being prepared. One important consideration is that this cooktop is designed to work specifically with induction-ready cookware. If you're unsure whether your pots and pans will work, just perform a quick magnet test. If a magnet sticks to the bottom of your cookware, you're good to go. So, who is this cooktop suitable for? If you're a student living in a dorm, someone who enjoys camping in an RV, or even a busy professional who needs an extra cooking surface, this induction cooktop is a fantastic choice. It's also great for families who need to whip up side dishes quickly or anyone looking to streamline their kitchen setup without sacrificing functionality. In practical use, think about how this cooktop can transform your cooking experience. You can easily set it up on your kitchen counter, and with the built-in timer, you can start your sauce simmering while you prep the rest of your meal. Or, if you're hosting a gathering, you can use it as an extra burner to keep dishes warm or to prepare last-minute sides. In conclusion, the Elite Gourmet Slim Portable Induction Cooktop combines power, efficiency, and convenience in a compact design, making it a great addition to any kitchen setup. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you,